If you are feeling thirsty this summer, you've got to try this delicious watermelon treat. We need a watermelon. This time I want watermelon. Stop it! Just cut the watermelon up into little pieces. Like this? No! I said little pieces. Like this? No! Little pieces. Teeny tiny watermelon. Teeny tiny pieces. Teeny tiny watermelon. Teeny tiny watermelon. Stop it! Stop singing. Just cut the pieces up. Okay, here. Watermelon bits. Good. Put them all in a big measuring cup. Now, get a glass. Ta-da! A nice clear glass. Now, we have to get something cold. Okay, how about ice? So cold. Yes, good job. Now, put the ice in the cup. Can I drink it now? No! Put the watermelon bits in the cup. Okay. What now? Next, get a pointy skewer and put on 4 pieces of watermelon. Ta-da! Now, put it in the cup. Now, we need fizzy cider. Fizzy cider! Fizzy cider! Bubble, bubble, pop, pop. Bubble, pop, pop, pop. Just pour it in. Okay, next we need Omija. 5 flavors. Omija. There you go. Now, you can cool off and stay fresh on the hottest days. Enjoy!